Okay. Into Damanko bridge in me.
It's your girl Elon Gold. It's Abizitv. We take you to places you do not know. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Kindly subscribe to Abizitv. Comment, like, and share.
That's goodbye Nkwanta North District motto: development in peace. Yeah, that is it. It's, for now, we find ours Damanko. Damanko. For me, I say it's in the northern region, and Omochiche regions in the moon. I had no say no baby, Oti region, but formerly it was northern region. If you had no say a call, Bimbilano, what's a better if you were be free by now? Kpassa bedru ha no say na. Okay, into bia yo kisisiano Damanko bridge. It is a Adomi bridge. So I no more can. Until for now, we will go there and check. And number 2, machines be what hand we say into the baby some machines on Wasem. But who say you were around? They know so you better share near when you are one. So let's do it like nobody's business. Okay. Into what say machine we say a dear machine. We there won't see no more. Police for no match. Okay. Inti omo was ro hono omo yeden omo senior one is you your friend is saying we I see. I said me hu say omo de kanu bi SCC so na so muyi na mum na aha no mu say no na edan na esi ho no mo na nsuo ni ho no mo nsuo ni ho nsuo na ye mafa no okay and I was say dey edan pipe omo pipe rock asa so and machines then mo na etu so no ko internet say nsuo no machines no any dan we say no nti atwe nsuo no free nsuo we ya mu na de Kpassa na machine na ye ho adwuma ho na omo anom bi okay nti Damanko bridge ni all right nice one na say omo ye ekwan won chenchen ya nipa bitumi afa won nti ade nti na omo fa medal no so obi a open ya bitma baby open the be say ho no omo no specifically say car ana kwan no car mfa so ntina car ba nipa bitma afa no car ba car so ntina omo fa ho no mo no so it is very bad ntina the fans say pumping machine na dining nyane nti sisi a no moye de na munya nsuo ai sisi pipe na sai nti sisi a munya nsuo wo kronim munya nsuo ji se Kpassa so an say ma wo omo tunu na omo tuma ho no I say it's serious so because see already crumple cry no nsuo na din kan fa dan no any machines nti sisi a nsuo ni mabiem and this is a very big river. Mame, good morning. Saying good. Into so far saying I was say into I was saying nipa afa this side. Na car and so afa this side into what check car here be ya. He say no efa middle side no car nefa middle side say dia was a car nefa no na enipa afa this side and the other side but a camera say mpemi bre no Ghana ne yen sheda mfa nyoma bi ho emfa nye bibi machine na tru nsuo de makromani na no nsuo ejiri afa edan no ene number 1 Intina according to obi ono no wa ha no musi amene na amreche say nsuo no emma biem e wo kro no so intino sia no they depend on borehole and other streams are e won che hono no mo sade e de mo de yeni no problem We came here specifically and purposely for the bridge because now Omaka Damanko bridge into Baby Hesenia bridge no has some etie. Now no Omaka say Oma to say Adome bridge and yes indeed almost say Oma yen to say Adome bridge no Oma yen say no to say into say to say no but enye no aha into the say no and has some etie into check it and idea no more there now to say massive up and down. Okay. All right. Show hand says this one. Omo yinam. Nti yanko baby omo yinam no na. Me ko ha ba wate. Pe ya no me hu say omo yinam e wa se ho no nti no. Me ko akohwe enam no ho afam aka. Someone may say stop videoing yourself and show us. Yes, I'm taking you there, so don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, boss. Me jina soro ho na me hu se mo yinam. Inti. Tu see the I'm a ton on them. Mbacho we idea nam. Super. Oh, okay.
Asanti for friend as Sipaku.
And I'm most more friends.
You don't say
Efa. Okay. Into we say more the net in the queen and I say we no more na modium.
Onusu ya ye ni net. And then in Kitabu.
Into we say no modi the way.
Onu yi we no yi keke no.
Eno be ni ha.
Keke bi nke onio.
Yeah, owo.
Onya no awo na se ya.
Sa.
O ti se brorovi. Se na brorovi tie no sa.
Into we say mo beton ni sen.
We no. O mo nya to gi so abi so o mo se ni mi ko ka se mi no ma cho antro.
There be tis enya me na meto nti se wo na wakwakoyi omo no.
Ti se na mi ma yi. We ba ku mi digi 7.
7 days 70 Ghana and 70.
70 Ghana.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. But you and your friend is saying River Oti. Oh, okay. River Oti into no I had no say no here. Oti Region. Okay. This is it. We say we buy in Kluma your friend Utile, and at the same time others two are called slugger. Okay, so we have Utile and slugger, and here is River Oti. River Oti into Damanko Bridge. Damanko Bridge, you know, and no any. Damanko. All right. Okay, it's no you're for so. They are cock head here. That's also to us. Inti sisi a no say there be train at the pepepe. Sisi a we say no say wo kokko dry a wo beton ne sen. Mo obe dry na so beton ne fresh sa. Inti ano ne sa no beton ne sen. And that's what boka. Because we turn the 70 now so turn 100 Ghana. And I won't faka. Ah, okay.
One ni mu. Akawo we wa kwa ni mo obetimi.
Okay. All right.
Oh, okay. Come on, come at the way you know, monsieur. But at the way. That was
now, I didn't think that's a more quiet monster life jacket. And I'm in the moon, Monsieur Jared.
Yo, me ba.
Ah, now say I had no say to swing now, you should be. I didn't mention I'm no had no say.
Say, and I'm no, I quite say, and I'm so moon baby, and if I will be baby, I quite a place. No,
I diagro. Oh, okay.
Also, but for Nimua, baby, I'll go
say, quiet, you know. It's a home drew on my mugunet. Mugunet, and I'm
trap win. Trap on a seti.
It is a bottle on a trap.
Dabi, I had another Yibian. The emission,
okay. All right. Mate, medase, yeah, twaso. Yeah. My fabric no swaba. You know, as usual, I have to do the right thing. Into the issue pathway, no. Issue pathway, no. Okay, so on River Oti, yeah, very vast one. We have River Volta, we have River Oti. So this is Oti River. That is why they have Oti Region. And I love what I'm seeing. So this thing is like the Adome Bridge, Damanko or Damanko, whichever way. Aye. Tools are the a strong one. It's a very strong one. And I'll check with you so I'm the quota a good idea also. And me meaning a woman and as me understanding a woman and it's in a bay any sleepy. Although plates, you know, a chaka plate. But send a bay any sleeping into no. Or check main one also crumple crana still Omodi and Susubi, you so. Sebia, or you'll be in Subi Gusua, and you're sleepy. And for my diseases, no. Bridge, you know what? Yes, bridge, you know what? Bridge, you know what? And this is the river, and also some pa in Sunoson. I know Nayama afa Adanya war one chain, but I would say be no to me the life idea grow power because Osheba be in Sue day. Now Osheba be uncle for sit down and put car crash and see her no more. Just look at it. Car is you no. Is you nini. Is you be soon over the other side. And na island kakra na we ni mu no. A dine any cars any a dine. Esisi ho no mo ekwan omofa soko ni nyana nsuo na fa no brade nyankopon any which ways and no so ye nti no say no my ente sa Adome Bridge na Damanko no enu nie yeah. So for now we find ourselves inside Damanko na nsuo na omo aye bridge was no Edin Ede River Oti and I say Oti River. We take you to places you do not know. Enjoy the video. You go so aye nantekwa ewa bridge no because 1 meter be ano 40 feet. 1 meter be ano me kind say 1 2 3 4 because one single one be 10 and 8. Yeah, single one be 8 feet. Single one be 8 feet. In total 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 40 feet. Say 10 feet crump na 4 near 40 feet. Into your fan say 9. About 40 feet. Ewa. 5 be 40 feet. Ewa pa. Into Adomi Bridge look alike. It's Damanko Bridge. And I'm not surprised they build it with metals. I'm not surprised at all that they build it with metals because it is very strong, wide, and solid. Oh, check it. Pillars now. Very strong. This is not a report, this is a commentary. So I'm only doing a commentary about it. Into viewer discretion. Yeah, this is only a commentary. I'm only saying what I am seeing. I'm only saying what I'm seeing. So this is a commentary. Okay, so for now, I've crossed the Oti River to the other side of the river, and I use the walkway. And send an American will be a sinning. Okay, and then is you no, is you ni, and a dance is you know what I mean. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. See, you close to you know. That means we will go back. Into Juma, I for a had musi no fishing. And I asked them about their life jackets. They said they don't have some. And I don't know. Nipa almost expect to say Wabebro life jacket. Ebi no so so na wa ha no so omo twen omo de no. Nti no nsuo no so. Nsuo no so. Nsuo no so. Nsuo no so. So Adomi Bridge look alike. Now time to go back. Time to go back. But to be honest, it is very scary. You know, it is very, very, very scary. It is very scary. It's very scary. It's very, very, very scary. So when I'm so far, now so you'll be through heighter, and you is the mount. So that is it.